Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a paper origami crane. And what I'm going to do different in this tutorial is I'm going to use highlighters to emphasize and illustrate every crease. So it's just going to be a little bit easier step by step for maybe the first time or if you're new to doing origami. So first you're going to need either origami paper or printer paper that you can make into a square. And what you're going to do that is basically take this corner and fold it down along that edge, and then take a pair of scissors and cut the excess paper off just like that. And then when you open it back up, you have a perfect square. And then this is going to be the first of your folds you're going to want to do. So I'll go ahead and illustrate this one. And then next, so I have this fold, you're going to want to take the other corner and fold it the other way. Just like that. And then now you want to flip it over, and you're going to fold it now in half the other way, to basically two rectangles. And then you want to do it the other way as well. So now on this side, you now have folds basically going the other way. And then once you get to this point, you're going to want to tilt it like that, and these two folds right here, it's going to kind of naturally want to come together, and you want to fold along those edges and bring these 2 points inward down to the bottom, and then when you do that at the top, hold those crease down just like that. So then now you have this square, basically kind of like four little triangular flanges coming out. Then you want to always keep the flaps on the bottom. And then now for the next step, once you get that creased real good, you're going to want to take this corner right here, this edge, and match it along the center crease you have right here. Basically just fold these in. And then once you do that, flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. And then I'll go ahead and illustrate those for you. And actually there's one more thing you want to do. So you get those folded on both sides. And this step isn't necessary, but I like to do it as an extra step, is when you take the top part right here and give it just a little bit of a crease on top, and that'll help guide a fold later on. Then you want to go ahead and open up all four sides, and I'll go ahead and illustrate all these for you. You go fold there, fold there, fold there, right there, and the crease we did right on top. And so now, go ahead and illustrate the inside folds. Just like that. So you have it folded like this. And when you did that, also fold the inside. Which then what you want to do is take this bottom flap and push it up and crease it right there where this fold is. And then on the two inside creases, basically fold those in, crease the bottom, and then just kind of let this fall together into a crease just like that. And then flip it over and do the same thing. And then you're going to want to take this and kind of just give a little bit of crease the other way. And open it up. And along these two folds right here. Oh, well, fold those in. And let this all just kind of fall together, just like that. Crease it real good. And once you have that, you'll see the split part down at the bottom. You want to keep that there. And now what you're going to want to do is take the corner edges and this right here and fold it into the center, just like this. I'm going to do that on both sides. So it looks just like that. Then fold it up, flip it over, and do the same two folds. Just like that, so it looks like that. And then now, you're gonna wanna take the two flaps, pinch them together, and at the same time pinch the other two together, so you're basically just inverting what you have, and you'll get what looks like this. And then from there, you can already see a little bit of a crease right here. You want to fold up these parts on both sides, flip it over, fold it up there at the bottom, and then now basically invert it again. So pinch these two together and pinch the back two together, just like that. So now you'll get this. And then down at the bottom, fold these over to get your wings. Same thing on the other side. And now you can see you have the wings. And the second to last step, we want to take these and along this edge right here, basically just kind of pull them out and then pinch it and refold it right along that edge. Same thing on this side. Then the last step, you take the for the head, basically push this down and pinch it in, just like that. And there you have it. You have a origami crane.